Welcome, people. So my name is Tyler. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to import your Blender models into Unreal Engine 5. So first up, usually I like to download my models from CG Trader for the free ones, and usually they give you textures and then either a blend file or maybe sometimes just an FBX. So I'm going to open up the actual blend file here. As you can see, I plugged in the materials here so they're all look good, and I believe Unreal sometimes it does the materials correctly, sometimes it doesn't, so we'll just have to see. And usually with remodels I like to check the geometry just to make sure there's no n-gons or whatnot, because sometimes the free models are not great. And this one looks good, so everything is looking good. And this model, I scaled it up a little bit, so I'm actually going to apply all of the transforms just so everything is zeroed out, scale of 1. And now I'm just going to select the ball, going to export, FBX, click this here. I'm going to hit limit selected to selected objects just so it doesn't grab everything else. And then we're going to go to geometry. Unreal has this like error message that you can have it not do it by hitting smoothing on face. And if something isn't working, then just go back to the default, which is normals only. So we'll click on face, we'll export FBX, and now going into Unreal. Just a basic scene, you can or when you make the actual scene, you just hit game and then do it really quick. For the purpose of the video, I've already opened it up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to where I put the FBX ball, I'm going to import. Make sure build nano is turned on. Just put this to default here. Generate, we're going to turn that off. Okay, we're going to hit import. Okay, sweet. So we didn't get any error messages. That's really good. So I'm going to drag our ball in here. And as you can see, our materials did not transfer over correctly. So in the pre-made material, we're just going to click on here. And it looks like this is not actually plugged in, so I'm going to hit Alt-1 on this little strand here to detach it. And this is actually the roughness. I'm going to plug that in. So we're missing the metallic and normal. So I'm going to go back over here, going to open up the textures. I'm going to import my metallic and normal. I'm just going to drag these over into the content browser, not into the actual viewport. And then I'm going to now select these and then drag these over to this tab. I'm going to now plug these in. And for the normal map, there is a better way of plugging the normal map in. You can look that up online, but for right now we're just going to plug it in. But I suggest if you do this, that you take the time to look up another tutorial. In this case, this is a very basic tutorial. So we're just going to apply, hit save. And now we can go back to the ball. As you can see, we have the normal map, we have the metallic, and all of it is working correctly. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the next video.